Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna discuss with you about Vue.js 3. Today I'm gonna discuss with you about Vue.js fundamental 3. At first we are know about Vue.js 3. What is Vue.js? Vue.js is progressive JavaScript framework and used to develop interactive web interface. Okay, so Vue.js versus Angular similarities. Vue.js has a lot of similarities with AngularJS. Directives such as BF and B4 almost similar to the AngularJS and G4 Angular, and they have both have a command line interface for a project installation and to build it. Vue.js uses the Vue CLI and Angular uses Angular CLI. Both other two data binding, server or site rendering, etc. Okay, now today I will finish this tutorial in the. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the webcodecamp, and if you want to like this my tutorial, and I hope you will subscribe my channel.